Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV flag poles on Amazon. The national flag is a crucial part of American life, and the best RV flag pole lets you display that with pride. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Flagpole to Go Ultimate Flagpole. Flagpoles are great for raising the American flag, but these are also helpful in marking the spot where you park the camper. This product will meet your needs on both of those accounts. I love that this flagpole is easy to install, lightweight, and durable. The brand has paid attention to using high-quality materials in making the product. It is made from aluminum alloy, which ensures that the pole does not get damaged or break down easily. Moreover, an added coat of paint has been given to the flagpole to prevent it from getting rusted due to constant exposure to the natural elements. What we like about it: portable and easy to install. A lightweight, tough and durable product. Available in 3 sizes. An affordable product. What we don't like about it: collapses easily during highly windy situations. Number 2. Flagpole to Go Portable Flagpole. This collapsible flagpole for RV is one of the best values for money products that you can buy. It is collapsible down to 4 feet, which means I can pack it away whenever I need it. The flagpole has 6 height options, ranging from 5 feet to 20 feet. Hence, you have enough options to take your pick. It is made of high-grade aluminum and is considerably lightweight. Though the brand claims it can withstand winds up to 20 mph, I have seen it survive winds of up to 35 mph without any trouble. However, remember that you are not supposed to have this flagpole up on a moving vehicle. Otherwise, I have no doubts about the durability of the product. What we like about it: several height options. Twist and lock installation mechanism. Can survive windy conditions. Can be stored anywhere. What we don't like about it: hard to open clips at the beginning. Number 3. In the Breeze Telescoping Pole. Another great telescoping flagpole for RV that I have been using is the one from In the Breeze, and I have no major complaints. The one that I have bought is 13 feet long, though you will find other sizes too. You should also keep in mind that the ground mount is sold separately. I like the fact that the pole is easy to assemble. The twist-to-tighten method locks sections properly in place. Remember to remove its pull-off cap during assembly and not unscrew the cap that is on the other end. I could get the pole fixed and the flag flying high within minutes. It measures 45 inches when collapsed down. This makes it easy for me to put the pole in the reusable bag that comes with the package and store it in my RV. What we like about it: easy to assemble and store. Comes with a reusable storage bag. Lightweight and durable. High-quality fiberglass pole. What we don't like about it: do not keep the pole out on a stormy day. Number 4. Flagpole Buddy 12 Feet Kit. If you are looking for a long pole, then do not hesitate to opt for this product. This kit comes with a collapsible pole. You can adjust the length as per your requirement. The flagpole measures between 6 feet and 12 feet. Regarding installation, it comes with a guidebook. The step-by-step instructions can assist you in installing the flagpole in no time. What we like about it: easy to install. Adjustable and compact flagpole. It comes with a turn lock feature. The pole length is 6 to 12 feet. The flagpole is made of anodized aluminum. What we don't like about it: the pole can hold only one flag. Number 5. Flagpole Buddy RV Kit. The Flagpole Buddy Kit is the ideal exterior product for RV owners who desire to attach a flagpole to their RVs. The flagpole is 22 feet in length. This affordable RV flagpole is made of fiberglass. It means you need not worry about its strength and sturdiness. You can adjust and attach the flagpole to the RV ladder. What we like about it: compact, foldable, and easy to install. A lightweight flagpole. Can hold multiple flags. Comes with 4 flag holding clips. Adjustable flagpole length. What we don't like about it: the bottom end of the flag is less flexible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.